Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catana token. Name of the token is Catana and ticker symbol is also Catana, spelled C-A-T-A-N-A, and this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Doing very well, $48 million market cap with 19,500 holders, and just got a very big central exchange listing starting yesterday, November 29th. They got listed on a big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Catana token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project here at Solana Catana on Twitter. And it says here, the Catana token is a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, and the name comes from the sword, the name of the sword, Catana, mixed with cat. So we have Catana, and this token just got listed yesterday, November 29th, 8:30 UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CATANA, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, also listed yesterday on Coinex Global was the Junk coin, which is a fork of Litecoin, an old school coin from all the way back in 2013. And yeah, you could check that video out about Junk coin that got listed on Coinex Global yesterday. And then now we also have Catana being listed. And this token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins, and you could tell because the contract address right there on that Twitter ends in pump. It's an easy way to find out where the token was made. And this token is also available on DEXs, so maybe Coinex Global is not available in your country. Maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You can also get this token off of Raydium. So first of all, you would need a wallet that stores Solana tokens. So you could download a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. And you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the depths, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter at Solana Catana. This token may also be available on other decentralized exchanges like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and you can also find the contract address and their Telegram linked in their pinned tweet there. So it says, "Cats can't tweet. This cat has a sword." They have 5,030 Twitter followers. They have a link to their webpage also right there, solanacatana.com. They just joined Twitter in October 2024. Already 126 tweets. Very active on the socials here. And yeah, so their Telegram is at Solana Catana as well. Same address as the Twitter. And that's going to be a great place to see updates as well, just like the Twitter, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, memes, you name it, updates like that. They have 1,352 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. And if you go over to their webpage, you can find the contract address, a link to Raydium, Telegram, Twitter, all sorts of links on there. Basically, their webpage is just like a full link tree. And then on their chart sites, by the way, you could find this token on SolScan, but you could also find it on Birdeye, Bubble Maps, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap, listed all over the place if you want to check out the charts. 19,500 Twitter followers. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now the total and circulating supply is 999.98 million tokens. On Dex Tools, you could find a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It goes over a few things. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, contract is not freezable, and no other risks. It also has a DEX score of 99 out of 99 and a community trust score of 100% out of 3 votes. In the past 7 days, this token is up 10.8%, but in the past 24 hours, it's down 13.5%. So price is kind of fluctuating, but not too much. It's not going crazy or anything. Now, they have a $1.7 million liquidity pool in Raydium right now. And according to Dex Screener, 99.81% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Token price right now, 0.048 USD. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.3 million. Today they've had 4,497 transactions. So this token is not brand new, even though it's getting brand new central exchange listings. The token pair was created 1 month, 13 days ago on Raydium. They also had a community takeover. It says a community claimed ownership for this token October 17th. It says original CTO went rogue. Live by the blade, die by the blade. And right now, they have 3,592 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 17,816,000 pooled Catana tokens. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.